and welcome to Twinkl Kids TV's How to Draw series, where today we'll be learning how to draw a chicken, or more specifically, a hen, which is just what we call a female chicken. When drawing anything, it's best to use a pencil to mark out some basic shapes before using a pen to draw the final lines. So, make sure you have both of these and let's get started! To mark out your hen's head, draw a small circle towards the top of your page. Then, beneath this, draw a large oval shape for the body. To connect the head to the body, draw a slightly curved line, a bit like a long backwards letter S shape. Although it might feel a bit weird just drawing shapes at the moment, it will make using your pen for the final lines so much easier. Next, overlapping the right side of your oval, draw a diagonal line upwards. Then, draw 2 straight lines off the bottom of the oval with another straight line at an angle joining each of these. I bet you can guess what these are. Whilst you're here, why don't you take a second to subscribe to our channel below? That way, you'll be the first to see every time we upload. Now it's time to pick up your pen and add some more detail to your drawing. Start by tracing over the small circle and following the shape of the curved line down in one fluid motion. Now you can continue this line around the whole of the big oval, making sure to go around the diagonal line too. Adding in a zigzag shape to start to give the effect of some feathers. Can you think of what a hen uses to peck at all the corn they eat? Of course, a beak! To add this in, draw a little triangle at the very top of the circle you've outlined. You can then draw the eye by creating a semicircle, followed by 2 little circles inside it, only colouring in the bigger one to show the light reflecting from your hen's eyes. Following the straight lines at the bottom, turn them into legs by adding another line to each one to create tube shapes. Hens have 4 toes, so you can add these in by creating 3 sausage shapes going forwards, then a slightly smaller one at the back of the foot. You might have seen that hens tend to have a big red comb on top of their heads. So, to add this to your hen, draw a wiggly line going from one side to the other. To add a bit more detail, you can then add a little raindrop shape under the beak. Finally, perhaps the most important part, the wing. Draw a U shape in the middle of your hen's body before finishing it with some more wiggly lines to show where the feathers are. And there you have it, your finished hen. Thanks for joining us here at Twinkl Kids TV. Don't forget to subscribe for all our latest videos, and we'll see you next time.